Hello and welcome back to Cooking with Sebbi. Today we are going to prepare some baked pumpkin slices. You need a pumpkin. I think this is a Hokkaido pumpkin. I at least hope that this is a Hokkaido pumpkin. Maybe it's a different pumpkin. I don't know. Doesn't matter. You just need a pumpkin. You also need some sea salt. So I do have a huge pack of sea salt. I do have some black pepper. I do have some red pepper powder, and I do have some curry. I like to add to the pumpkin to season it. But first, before we do anything, we need to preheat the oven. About 200 centigrade sounds about right. Let's start preheating the oven. So let's just start the timer. All right, let's start dealing with the pumpkin. As a short and quick disclaimer, I haven't done this before. So this is my very first time that I do baked pumpkin slices. I watched my mom doing it, but personally I do not have a clue what I'm doing. So let's learn together how to prepare baked pumpkin slices. I think I just need to cut away the stem. So let's start with cutting away the stem. All right. And then I think we need to cut the entire thing into half. What possibly can go wrong? Let's see. I mean, I think I can lose my fingers. So let's be super careful with what I'm doing here. Maybe, I hope. All right, sounds good. I think we are making some progress. And now we are stuck. Aha! All right, so we do have this neat color. It's very, very nice, bright color. All right, I think I will just use one half of it. So, we I guess need to remove all the seeds, but I think it's easier to remove the seeds when I cut this thing once again in half. So let's do this. Let's cut the entire thing once again in half. Be careful with your fingers. Do not lose your fingers. You might need them for a later task or so. All right, how do I do this? Can I just... Okay, I think I can just... No, I think cutting is better. Let's just cut away all the stems. It should be a rather quick cooking process. I mean, it will take some time in the oven, but aside from this, I think it should be rather quick. I think we can also cut away this green thing. And for getting to the inner parts, let's cut the entire thing once again. Into half, like so. Continue to remove the soft part where the stems were. Alright, I think this one is nearly good to go. Let's repeat this for the rest of this first half of the pumpkin. I think I will do something else with the other half of the pumpkin, so maybe, I don't know. I mean, it's fall time, so I will come up with a different pumpkin recipe in the future. You can, of course, try to make it yourself. And I will once again have absolutely no idea what I'm doing. All right, let's focus on this. Okay, I have removed all the seeds from the pumpkin. I think I can also use this piece. And yes, I will leave the peel on. I think this is good. I think you can just eat the peel with the pumpkin. That's It's very, as you can see, it's a very thin peel, so there's not much of a peel, so I will just leave it on, because otherwise I will waste so much of the pumpkin. And yeah, I think this is still too big of a slice. So what would happen if I would just cut it in half? Yeah, I think cutting in half looks good. This looks like a good piece. So let's just cut this entire piece of pumpkin once again into half, and of course, careful that you do not lose your fingers. Yeah, I would say you should aim for this kind of piece. I think this is good. I think this is a really good size. So this one is ready. Okay, let's do the same crazy approach here and try not to lose my fingers. It's nice that we do have moved on to fall, because this gives me access to so many more different vegetables. It's nice to cook always what is in season, so and you always can use what the market offers. Right, I still am not sure how to approach this best. All right, looks good. Looks very good. We're making progress. And yeah, before we get to the part of seasoning the pumpkins, I think I need to rearrange a few things. All right, we are ready. We are ready to continue the process of preparing the baked pumpkin slices. I think I will just put them here and order them on this sheet of paper. Okay, I forgot to mention one important ingredient. I also like to use some olive oil. And I like to just pour this olive oil over the pumpkins, I guess. At least I hope that's what you need to do. As I said, I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing here, and I, on the one hand, just want to prepare this because I really like to have baked pumpkin slices, and on the other hand, I like to show you that, well, just try out new things. Okay, now we get to the black pepper part. I think I will just season it from one side, so let's generously apply some black pepper. Like this. Now let's add some curry to it. Just apply once again a generous amount. Well, maybe use some bigger holes. All right, I guess this is good. Now the red pepper powder. Let's use maybe this hole. Yeah, like this. I guess this is good. Very nice. And finally the sea salt. Maybe I should apply the sea salt afterwards. I don't know. Let's just apply it right now. So let's maybe afterwards is better, but let's see if it sticks to it. Some stick to it. I don't think that they stick to it. Okay, I think I do have to apply the sea salt afterwards, but that's fine. And yeah, I would say now they are seasoned. The the oven is ready, so let's insert this tray into the oven. Alright, I think they need to reside in there for, well, let's say 15 minutes. Maybe 15, maybe 20 minutes. We'll see. So let's just wait for 15 minutes and then we will see if we have some good baked pumpkin slices or if maybe everything is on fire. We will see. The pumpkin slices are ready. It took a little bit longer than 15 minutes. In total they were in the oven for 25 minutes. Now they are nice and soft and yeah. Now I can add them to my plate. So yeah, just as you can see, they are nice and soft. I can easily stick the fork in. And now comes the big question, can I do it with a fork? Or yes, I can do it with a fork. Right, let's add them to the plate. As you can see, it looks very good. I might have needed a little bit more of olive oil, so there's not much olive oil left. Oh well, they are fried from one. Maybe next time I need to turn them around. Maybe I shouldn't just bake them from one side. Maybe I should turn them around that they get the heat and the oil from both sides. But I would still call it a success. It looks very delicious. It looks very good. And yeah, let's add a little bit more of sea salt to it. Okay, this maybe not sea salt. With this, I would call this a success. I think this is it looks delicious, it smells delicious. I am looking forward to enjoy my baked pumpkin slices. And yeah, I think you can do this yourself. It's a very delicious fall dish. And yeah, until next time, thank you so much for watching. See you soon and bon appetit!